Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are on the third video of our automation series, and today we'll break down the difference between get and navigate. This is Sriram, and let's get started. Selenium is an amazing tool that lets you automate web browsers. It is incredibly powerful for testing web applications across different browsers and platforms. But did you know that Selenium provides two distinct methods to load web pages? These are get and navigate. Understanding how and when to use each can make your script more efficient and effective. And who knows, this could be an interview question as well. First, let's talk about the get method. Get method is part of WebDriver interface. It is used to load web pages and waits until the page is fully loaded before it returns control to your script. This can be very useful when you need to ensure that the entire web page is ready before you proceed. Now about the navigate method. Navigate method is part of navigation interface and provides more advanced navigation capabilities. Unlike get, navigate doesn't wait for the page to load completely. It allows you to refresh the page and navigate through the browser history. So you can use to load the URL, refresh to refresh it, back to go back to the previous page and forward to go forward. Let's see these two methods in action. Here I have a class file called loading URL and I'm going to stick with Chrome browser again. So the syntax is pretty straightforward. You have to use driver.get and then pass on the URL. Once it is done, you just run it. And that's how you load a web page with driver.get. Now let's move on to navigate method. And here you have to say navigate.to and then pass on the URL. I'm gonna reuse the search script from the previous video. And let me put a thread.sleep of 1 second between each command so that you can differentiate the changes in web page interaction while using refresh, forward, and back. I'll do the refresh first, then back, and then forward. So here it is. It loads the site, searches it, refreshes it, goes back to home page, and then comes forward to this result screen. So in conclusion, both get and navigate have their uses in Selenium. Get is great when you need to ensure that the page is fully loaded before continuing, while navigate provides more flexibility with page navigation and refreshing. Choose the one that best fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more web automation tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.